So a little bit earlier, we had a bit of bloody excitement. Oh, yeah, we did. It was enthralling, really. As we were going through our nation's capital, we got stuck in somewhat of a thunderstorm, a lightning storm even. It was everywhere. It was amazing. It really was. And a few actually cracked bloody close to the truck. Righto, yeah, a bit daunting, when the flash happens and the crack's right there too, she's around. So what I actually thought was, now that I'm out on the Barton Highway now, probably not the Barton, Federal Highway, I thought, nice big open area, I might pull over and try and get a few shots of this in the background of the truck. Haven't storm chased before, so it's the first time, so forgive me if the stuff's not perfect, but sit back and have a bit of a look now. I'm pretty happy with what we came up with. It was cool. I mean, I got absolutely bloody saturated, but it doesn't matter because the finished result is this.